अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस। आज की इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे मैक्सिमल प्लेटफॉर्म इन अ मैट्रिक्स एग्जांपल। इन द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल वी विल सॉल्व अनदर interesting problem. We are given a two-dimensional rectangle array matrix of integers, and our task is to find the submatrix of size of 2 by 2 with the maximum sum of its elements and to print it to the console. One solution to the problem might be the following. If we if we execute the program, we will see that it works properly. We will explain the algorithm. First, we create a two-dimensional array which contains integer number. We declare our auxiliary variables best sum, contain best sum, best row, best column, and we initialize best sum with the minimal value of type long, so any other value is greater than this one. Note that sum of four integer may not fit in int, so we use long. In the variable best sum, we keep the current maximal sum in, and in best row and best column we keep the current best sub matrix. This means the current row and current column describe the start element for the sub matrix of size 2 and 2 multiply 2, which is currently found to have the maximal sum of its elements. To access all elements of a subarray with a size of 2 by 2 we need the indices of the first element. Having them, we can easily access the rest three elements. In this example, row and column are the indices of the first elements of the submatrix with the size of 2 by 2, which is part of the array matrix. After we know how to access all four elements of the matrix with the size of 2 by 2, starting from a particular row and column, we can look at the algorithm which we will use to find the maximal submatrix. We need to iterate through each 2 by 2 platform in the matrix until we reach the platform with the best sum. We will do this using two nested for loops and two variables row and column. Note that we are not iterating through the entire matrix, because if we try to access index row plus 1 or column plus 1 as we are at the last row or column, we will go out of the range of the matrix respectively. System index out of range exception will be thrown. We access the neighbor elements of each current element of the sub matrix and we sum them. Then we check if our current sum is bigger than our current highest sum for the moment. If it is so, our current sum becomes our best sum, and our current indices will update best row and best column. So after the entire iteration through the main matrix, we will find the maximal sum and the first element of the sub matrix of size 2 by 2 and its indices. If there is more than one sub matrix with the same maximal sum, we will find the one which appears first. At the end of the example, we are printing to the console the requested sub matrix of size 2 multiply 2 and its sum of elements in an appropriate way. अगर गाइस ये हमारी वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगे तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और घंटी के निशान को दबाना ना भूलें।